This is funny. This Christmas tree looks like someone is hugging the Christmas tree. Look, there's an arm, there's a head, isn't it? Isn't it? It looks like some like a person who's hugging the tree. Isn't it strange? Guys, I think 1 hour now. My live show. So how are you guys in your states? Are you having a very bad weather? How is the temperature? The temperature here is like 22 degree, I think.